Okay, now let's see here. Okay, so now let's, I'm going to share your question, okay? First, I'm going to share your question. Yesterday's, I think this one. Okay. So now you can see their question, okay? Yesterday we have discussed this one. What we have discussed here? Question number 8. You can see here question number 8, okay? Question number up to 8B we have completed. So let's see here question number 8C from 8C, okay? Just look at here from question number 8C. So look at there, question number 8C. The market price of a watch is 30% above the cost price. When it is sold, allowing 20% discount on it, there is a gain of Rs 150. Find the market price and the cost price of the watch. Okay, how to solve this one? Can you please explain? Okay, anyone you can explain, okay, if you know. Do you know what to do here?
So यसमा त्यो CP लाई एक्सलेट गर्नुपर्छ अनि त्यसपछि मार्क भनेको CP अब 30% अब CP गरेर मार्क प्राइस एक्स को टर्ममा हुन्छ त्यसपछि SP लाई नि 20% हटाएर एक्स को टर्ममा हुन्छ अनि त्यसपछि त्यो SP र CP को रिलेसनमा यो प्रॉफिट अमाउन्ट दिएको छ त्यो गरेर एक्स को भ्यालु आउँछ अनि त्यसपछि एक्स को भ्यालु MP र कस्ट प्राइसमा हाल्ने
Okay, that means what we have to do here, first of all, we have to suppose here cost price. Okay, what we have to suppose here? Cost price. Cost price is X. Okay, we'll suppose here cost price is X. Right? Cost price la hamle X suppose garchau. Then market price will be 30% above the cost price. Means CP plus 30% of CP. From there we can find here market price. Okay, अब हामीलाई cost price पनि थाहा भइसक्यो, market price पनि थाहा भइसक्यो. Okay, हामीलाई cost price also we know and market price also we know. Okay, अब cost price and market price will be के हुन्छ त? It is same in the same transaction for the same article. Okay, एउटै खालको ट्रान्ज्याक्सनमा चाहिँ हामीलाई एउटै क्वेशनमा हेरौँ न, हामीलाई एउटै क्वेशनमा चाहिँ अब वाचकै कुरा गरिरहेका छौँ. वाचको कस्ट प्राइस र मार्केट प्राइस के हुन्छ त? एउटै कारोबारमा सेमै हुन्छ. So when it is sold, allowing 20% discount on it, there is a gain of Rs 150 है त. मार्केट प्राइस त हामीले फाइन्ड आउट गरिसकेका छौँ. अब त्यसमा 20% discount दिँदाखेरि we can find here SP. Okay, from there what we can find? SP आउँछ. SP is equals to MP minus discount percent of MP. Okay, अब त्यो SP, then gain भनेको profit amount is given here. Okay, now profit amount equals to SP minus CP. From there you can find the value of X. Okay, हामीलाई चाहिँ market price X को टर्ममा हुन्छ 20% discount. From there you can find the SP. SP आउँछ. SP is equals to MP minus discount percent of MP. Okay, MP बाट SP आइसके पछाडी SP X को टर्ममा हुन्छ, cost price पनि X नै हुन्छ. So यहाँ gain भनेको छ, profit भनेको छ. Profit equals to SP minus CP. Okay, so यसमा SP we have already found, CP X we have supposed, then we can find the value of X. अब त्यही X को value market price र cost price मा राख्दियौ भने we'll get the market price and cost price. Okay, so in this way we can solve this question number 8C. Okay, now let's move to the question number 8D. A trader fixed the price of cosmetic items 30% above the cost price. अब यो पनि fixed price भनेको छ. Fixed price भनेको के हो त? Market price नै हो. Market price है त. यसमा पनि हामीले cost price लाई X suppose गर्नु पर्यो. Market price will be 30% above the cost price. That means market price is equals to CP plus 30% of CP, means X plus 30% of X. From there you can find the market price in terms of X. When he or she sold an item at 25% discount, of the same market price you can use here. Okay, and then you can find the SP. SP is equals to MP minus discount percentage of MP. Okay, then SP you know, loss you know. अब यसमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ त CP minus SP हुन्छ है. Loss भनेको CP minus SP. From there you can find the value of X. Then you can put the value of X in cost price and then market price. Then you will get easily. Okay. If you are feeling any difficulty, then you can ask. Okay, कुनै question गर्नुपर्छ भने I will do. छ कुनै C र D मा? Okay, कुनै question गर्नुपर्छ भने okay you can chat. You can write in a chat box. C or D. Okay, because both has a similar type of question. एउटामा profit हो, profit मा SP minus CP गर्नुपर्छ भने loss मा चाहिँ CP minus SP गर्नुपर्छ है त. Okay. So now E number, the selling price of an article is 20% less than its market price. Okay, so the selling price of an article is 20% less than its market price, and the market price is 30% above the cost price. Find the profit percent. So can you explain it? Okay, Samir, go on.
Sir, SP is equal to MP minus 20% of MP भयो अनि MP is equal to CP plus 30% of CP भयो अनि त्यही लेट गर्दिने MP लाई लेट गर्दिने.
Okay, okay. भनेपछि समीर हामीलाई त एउटैको टर्ममा आउनु पर्यो. सपोज कुनै कुरा छ भने x कै टर्ममा आउनु पर्यो. कुनै एउटालाई सपोज गर्नु पर्यो. फ्रम देयर वी हैव टु फाइन्ड अदर. कुनै एउटालाई सपोज गरौँ. ओके, जसको MP लाई सपोज गर्दा MP लाई x ल MP लाई x सपोज गर्यौं भने then SP will be
x minus 30% of x.
यसमा the selling price of an article is 20% less than its market price भनेको छ है.
X minus 20% of.
Okay, ल suppose the x minus 20% of x भयो. अब next
नि अर्को चाहिँ x is equal to
okay, I think it will be difficult from there है. ल हेरौँ अब यसमा यहाँ चाहिँ कसरी हेर्ने हामीले सपोज केलाई गर्ने भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ फर्स्ट अफ अल रिड द क्वेशन प्रपरली हियर and then we can easily find है. जस्तो the selling price of an article is 20% less than its market price. भनेको अर्थ यहाँ selling price market price मा डिपेन्डेन्ट छ. Selling price is dependent upon market price. फेरि market price is 30% above the cost price. फेरि market price केमा डिपेन्डेन्ट छ त? cost price मा डिपेन्डेन्ट छ. Okay, so you have to, yeah, basic कुरा के भयो त? Selling price market price मा dependent, market price cost price मा dependent. त्यसको meaning के हो त? We can first of all we have to suppose here cost price. Okay, cost price लाई x suppose गर्यौं भने market price will be CP plus x%, 30% of CP. Okay, so के हुन्छ त? market price भनेको x plus 30% of x. From there you can find the market price, but in terms of x. x को टर्ममा आउँछ है. अब x को टर्ममा आयो भने फेरि सेलिङ प्राइस अफ एन आर्टिकल इज 20% लेस देन इट्स मार्केट प्राइस भनेको छ. फेरि सेलिङ प्राइस भनेको के हुन्छ त? MP minus 20% of MP. ओके, MP minus 20% of MP. That means अब मार्केट प्राइस हामीले कुनै फाइन्ड आउट गरिसकेका हुन्छौं x को टर्ममा. ओके, फ्रम देयर MP को भ्यालु त्यहाँ राख्छौं, x को टर्मको भ्यालु राख्छौं minus 20% of MP. त्यो सल्भ गर्दा पनि selling price पनि x कै टर्ममा आउँछ. Okay, now you know cost price is x, selling price we found. अब यसरी selling price find out गरिसकेपछि then we can find the profit percent. Okay, so कसैलाई के छ बुझ्नलाई गाह्रो भइराछ? Okay, should I do this question? Is it difficult? Okay, should I have to do this question? सल्भ गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने भन्ने ओके आई विल सल्भ इट ओके ओके ल so question number this 8e I'm going to do here on the board. Okay, so look at here. Question number 8e. Okay, so let's see here question number 8e. Okay, now let's start here. Question number 8e. Okay, as I have already told you what to suppose here. Right? यहाँ सबभन्दा पहिले हामीले suppose गर्नुपर्ने कुरा के छ त 8e मा here selling price is dependent upon market price and the market price is dependent upon cost price. त्यही भएर हामीले यहाँ चाहिँ basic basis हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ के देखियो त cost price is the basis. Okay, so let cost price भनेर suppose गरौँ. Let cost price. Okay, what is the यहाँ चाहिँ cost price of an article. Let cost price of an article be, you can suppose here RSX. Okay, let cost price of an article be RSX. Suppose गरौँ cost price suppose गरिसके पछाडि then what we can write here. अब हामीले cost price मा dependent भनेको के छ त market price छ. Okay, then what we can write here, then market price. Okay, then what we can write here, market price MP is equals to what will be here, market price MP भनेको here it is given 30% above the cost price. Okay, 30% above the cost price. 30% above the cost price. Okay, this is given 30% above the cost price. Okay, so what is the meaning for this? So 30% above the cost price को meaning के होता? CP plus 30% of CP. Okay, CP plus 30% of CP. The meaning of this is CP plus 30% of CP. From here we can find CP means X. Let's put the value here. 30% means 30 by 100. 30 by 100 into X you can write. X and X you can cancel. Okay, so you will get here X plus like decimal term you will get here 0.3X. Okay, so we'll get here 1.3X. We found here market price is 1.3X. Okay, market price we found. Okay, again हामीलाई त अर्को कन्डिसन पनि छ, सेलिङ प्राइस को कुरा पनि गरिरहेछ है. सेलिङ प्राइस के भनेको छ त, व्हाट इज गिवन हियर फर सेलिङ प्राइस? सेलिङ प्राइस अफ एन आर्टिकल इज 20% लेस देन इट्स मार्केट प्राइस भनेको छ है. सेलिङ प्राइस अफ एन आर्टिकल इज 20% लेस देन इट्स मार्केट प्राइस. Okay, so we can write here selling price. So what we can write here, let's write here selling price. Selling price that is SP. Okay, selling price SP is equals to के भनेको छ त, selling price of an article is 20% less than the market price. Okay, so you can write here 20% less than the MP. Okay, 20% less than the MP. Okay, meaning for this is your 20% less than MP को meaning के होता? MP minus 20% of MP. Okay, MP minus 20% of MP. Okay, so what is MP here? MP means 1.3x minus 20 divided by 100 into 1.3x. Okay, 20 divided by 100 into 1.3x. So simply you can write here this one is 1.3x minus your 20 like 100 like divide gare bhane you will get here 0.20. Okay, I am simply finding here in terms of decimal. Right? Decimal ko term ma find out garchu because okay, why I am finding here, we don't have to take the LCM. यसरी गर्यौ भने LCM लिनु परेन. Okay, LCM को झन्झट चाहिँ हट्छ. So now let's see here. Okay. So what I found here, 1.3x, 1.3x minus. Okay, so this is 1.3. Don't be confused. 1.3x. Now let's multiply 1.3 into 0.20. Okay, with the help of calculator, 1.3 into 0.20. Okay, from here we can find 0.26. Okay, here is 0.26x, and ultimately now subtract from 1.3. Okay, now you can subtract from 1.3 and we'll get here 1.04. Okay, we'll get here 1.04x. So this is a SP. Okay, now you know here SP we know, CP also we know. And what is asked here in this question? What is asked? I'm going to show you the profit percent. Okay, you are asked to find your profit percent. You are asked to find your profit percent. Profit percent, P percent is equals to what? This we have to find. Okay, love profit percent formula if you know here, profit amount by CP into 100%. So you can find now profit amount, you can find it, profit amount. Okay, profit amount that is P. Profit amount P is equals to what we can write here, SP minus CP. Okay, SP minus CP. So what is SP here? SP is 1.04x minus CP means x. Okay, so if we subtract here, okay, so let's continue here. 1.04x minus x. Okay, and let's say I have 1.04 minus 1 garnu sir. So I think you will get here 0.04. Simply what we'll get here, 0.04. Okay, so we found here 0.04x. Profit amount means 0.04x. Okay, if we know the profit amount, then now we can find their profit percent. Again profit percent. Okay, again profit percent. Again profit percent, that is P percent equals to P by CP into 100%. Okay, P by CP into 100%. So just put the values here. अब हामीले यसमा चाहिँ P को भ्यालु राखौं. P भनेको 0.04x divided by CP means x into 100%. Okay, so what we can cancel here? You can cancel here x and x, and we found here 0.04 into 100 means you know that, right? You भनेको चाहिँ simply 4% आउँछ. So you can say as the profit percent is what we can write here, as the profit percent is 4%. Hence the profit percent, is profit percent is 4%. Okay, so in this way we have solved this one. Any confusion? If you have any confusion, then ask. कसैलाई कुनै confusion छ भने? Do you have any confusion? Okay, that means nobody has any confusion. No one is responding, that's why no confusion. Okay, so now let's see other questions as well. Our question right? Okay. So we have completed this one. If any problem, then you can ask. Like problem छैन. So now let's move to the other questions. Okay. So let's see here. Question number E we have completed. We have just completed. Okay, question number E. Now let's look at the question number F. Okay, the market price of a radio is 25% above the selling price. The market price of a radio is 25% above the selling price, and the cost price is 30% less than its market price. Find the discount percent and gain percent. Okay, so what to do? Can you tell me?
So यसमा चाहिँ हामीले एमपी फाइन गर्नलाई एसपी लाई एक्सलेट गर्नुपर्छ अनि एमपी के भन्छ त्यो 25% अबभ सेलिङ प्राइस भनेपछि के एसपी प्लस 25% अफ एसपी हुन्छ अनि एक्स को टर्ममा आउँछ अनि सीपी फाइन गर्नलाई चाहिँ लेस देन मार्क प्राइस 30% लेस देन मार्क प्राइस भनेको छ अनि एमपी माइनस 30% अफ एमपी गरेपछि त्यो नि एक्स कै टर्ममा आउँछ अनि डिस्काउन्ट पर्सेन्ट फाइन गर्नलाई चाहिँ त्यो एमपी माइनस एसपी बाई एमपी इन्टु 100% गर्यो भने त्यो तिनटै एमपी र एसपी एक्स को टर्ममा भएको भएर त्यो आउँछ भ्यालु आउँछ त्यसको अनि त्यहाँबाट अनि त्यो पछि चाहिँ अनि के भन्छ यो गेन पर्सेन्ट फाइन गर्नलाई चाहिँ त्यो डिस्काउन्ट गेन पर्सेन्ट फाइन गर्नलाई चाहिँ अनि यो जब एक्स को भ्यालु आउँछ अनि एसपी माइनस सीपी बाई त्यो प्रॉफिट के भन्छ एसपी माइनस सीपी बाई 100% गर्ने
एसपी माइनस सीपी बाई सीपी इन्टु 100%. ओके, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. ओके, ल ओजस्वीले भनेको एकदमै करेक्ट छ, त्यही गर्ने हो है. ओके, सी हेज एक्सप्लेन्ड देयर very nicely, right? एकदमै राम्रोसँग she has explained, so you can do the with the same process है. कसैलाई कन्फ्युजन छ भने सोधिहाल्ने. यहाँ पनि सेलिङ प्राइस हो, बेसिस सेलिङ प्राइस छ भन्ने कुरा थाहा भयो यो क्वेशनमा, त्यही भएर सेलिङ प्राइसलाई एक्स सपोज गरेको. मार्क प्राइस भनेको 20% above the selling price, you know the meaning for that. Cost price भनेको 30% less than the mark price. Okay, so discount percent भनेको discount amount हो, त्यही भएर MP minus SP by MP into 100%. That is discount percent. Gain percent means SP minus CP by CP into 100%. Okay, so you can find. यो लगभग यस्तै यस्तै खालको क्वेशन छ है. हामीलाई क्वेशन हेर्दाखेरि भर्खरै हामीले गरेको ई जस्तो छ थोरै. Okay, similar छ. So with the same process you can do. Okay, now G number. Okay, G number you can see there. Mrs. Sharma fixed the price of a pen to make a profit. Okay, to make a profit of 10%. But she sold it allowing a discount of 7.50 and lost 5%. At what price did she purchase the pen? Okay, now explain it. Okay, can you explain it? Okay, I'm going to zoom it so that it will be clear. G number you can see there. G. Mrs. Sharma fixed the price of a pen to make a profit of 10%. But she sold it allowing a discount of 7.50 and lost 5%. At what price did she purchase the pen? Anyone? Okay, no one is responding. That means you don't know. Your question. Okay, this one question and एकपल्ट हेरौँ हिजोको क्वेशन सम्झिने 8B को क्वेशन 8B. Okay, 8B and question number 8G. Okay, process हामीले गर्नुपर्ने process is same. एउटै खालको process हो है. के गर्नु पर्यो त? हामीले त्यसमा पनि CP लाई सपोज गरेका थियौं. यहाँ पनि हामीले CP लाई सपोज गर्नु पर्यो. Okay, CP लाई सपोज गर्छौं. Profit percentage is given. From CP and profit percent we can find SP. यसमा पनि first condition मा discount is not given. Okay, so from there we can find MP. अब MP पनि थाहा भयो, CP पनि थाहा भयो. Now in second condition. Second condition मा चाहिँ allowing a discount of RS. यहाँ discount amount छ. भनेको अर्थ MP minus discount amount is equals to फेरि SP आउँछ. Okay? आउँछ? तर त्यो के को टर्ममा हुन्छ त? या त्यो चाहिँ के को टर्ममा हुन्छ, एक्स कै टर्ममा हुन्छ। ओके, बिकज एमपी माइनस डिस्काउन्ट अमाउन्ट भनेको अब द्याट विल बी एसपी। अब एसपी र लस पर्सेन्टेज एन्ड विथ द हेल्प अफ सिपी को रिलेसनबाट वी क्यान फाइन्ड द भ्यालु फर एक्स। हो कि हैन, यसबाट एसपी आउँछ, सिपी पनि सेम नै हुन्छ, जुन सिपी हाम्रो फर्स्ट कन्डिसनमा छ सेम सिपी विल बी हियर। ओके, सो यसबाट आउने एसपी र लस पर्सेन्टेज र सिपी को फर्मुलाबाट, अब एनी फर्मुला यु क्यान युज हियर, एसपी इक्वल्स टु 100 माइनस लस पर्सेन्टेज अपन 100 इन्टु सिपी, द्याट फर्मुला अल्सो यु क्यान युज। ओके, फ्रम देयर यु क्यान फाइन्ड द भ्यालु फर एक्स। अब एक्स को भ्यालु आइसके पछाडि त एट वाट प्राइस डिड सी पर्चेस द पेन भनेको छ, त्यही आन्सर हुन्छ। ओके, सो अन्डरस्टुड? Okay, you understood or you have any confusion? Okay, what happened? No one is responding. What happened?
बुझे सर।
बुझिसक्यो है? Okay, okay. So Zoom time is going to be over, so you have to rejoin. Okay, सबैले rejoin गर्ने. We will do other question. अब जसलाई यो question यहाँ जी थाहा भयो नि 9 नम्बर इजिली, ओके, दे क्यान डु 9 नम्बर। 9 नम्बर सबैमा हाम्रो दुईटा केस हो, यो जस्तै फर्स्ट कन्डिसन सेकेन्ड कन्डिसन छ है। ओके, सो विल डिस्कस 9 नम्बर अल्सो। कसैलाई प्रब्लम छ भने 8 नम्बरमै पनि यु क्यान आस्क द क्वेसन, आई विल सल्भ। ओके, अदरवाइज विल मुभ टु द